So, your organization has a problem with hourly employee hiring and retention. Turnover rates are sky high, and finding quality recruits is increasingly difficult. Well, you're not alone. The Work Institute reports that approximately 40% of employees left within 12 months of being hired last year. And, as you would expect, industries dependent on frontline hourly employees have the highest turnover rates of all, ranging from 59% for retail operations and 300% for fast food restaurants. And now you've been tasked with coming up with a great speaker/trainer who can give your meeting participants employee hiring and retention tools, tips, and techniques they can take home and put to immediate use to build a frontline workforce that actually builds the bottom line. You've Googled some candidates, looked at their videos, client list, and references, checked their fees and availability. But how do you decide? Well, just like there are 5 specific fail-proof questions every hiring manager should ask all hourly employee job applicants, here are 5 questions to ask hourly employee hiring and retention experts. Question 1. What do you see as the top 3 sources of quality, frontline hourly employees? 2. What are 3 of the most common mistakes hiring managers make, and how can they be avoided? 3. Which key traits should employers look for in a frontline hourly job applicant to tell if that person would be successful on the job? 4. What's the best way for hiring managers to conduct hourly employee interviews? 5. What 3 specific things can managers do to reduce cost employee turnover and retain top talent? Now, let me tell you why I hope you'll call me, certified speaking professional Mel Kleiman, with these questions too. 1. My philosophy is that the keys to great hourly employee hiring are to be specific about what is needed, as well as to be able to accurately identify those applicants who can meet or exceed expectations. I'm proud to say I've been teaching association members, business owners, hiring managers, franchisees, and HR folks just how to do this for more than 25 years now. Number 2, I love teaching. Actionable ideas that get your folks all fired up about how it can be so much easier for them to get the great results they're hoping for and need. Number 3, my presentations are always planned, never canned. I conduct pre-meeting industry and organization research, phone interviews, and online surveys to ensure I meet your group's specific needs. So, let's talk. Give me a call at 713-771-4401 or email me at mkleiman@humetrics.com today.